Namaste. Welcome to this channel Chemistry Made Easy by Dr.ARM. We were discussing molecular orbital theory, and today we will discuss distinction between VBT and MOT. This point is taken specially for the advantage of MPSC and UPSC students. Now we will see this point wise. So we have taken this difference between VBT and MOT using these points of difference. So you can note down these points and explain this difference as per your method. So the first point of distinction is how it works, how the VBT works. You will see here it describes the bonding using hybrid orbitals and electron pairs. So here we can see the hybridization, sp hybridization, sp2, sp3, dsp2, etc. So there are different types of hybridizations, and such type of hybridization is very used in VBT. This MOT contrarily describes bonding using atomic orbitals and molecular orbitals, which are of this type, that is bonding, anti-bonding and non-bonding in nature. Then next point is origin, how the theory is originated. So this theory is originated as an extension of Lewis dot method and hybridization, it using hybrid orbitals. Molecular orbital theory is originated on the basis of quantum and wave mechanics. So this is most advanced theory and therefore it provides better explanation. This theory also makes use of, you can here also mention that, it makes use of this theory, the various types of interactions, that is ionic interactions, covalent interactions, etc. So this theory also mostly uses the covalent type of interaction and also some ionic interactions. So this theory is proposed by Pauling in 1930s, whereas this theory was developed by various scientists using Schrodinger's wave equation. So this equation involves calculations for every electron present in the atom, and therefore it is difficult to apply, but this theory is very easy to apply. Then if we see the picture of bonding, VBT gives a simple picture of bonding which is easy to view or imagine. We can imagine the nature of bond, means how the bond is formed by lateral or axial overlap, and because of this it can give us the clear picture of bonding, as well as it can explain the shape of molecule. Similarly, this MOT provides better explanation to the bonding as well as shape of the molecule and the geometry of the molecule. But this theory is difficult. This theory provides explanation on the basis of which it becomes rather difficult to imagine the nature of bonding. Further, magnetic characters. So this theory VBT has large number of limitations when the magnetic characters are to be explained. For example, if we see the Ni2 plus ion having D8 configuration, so the complexes of such type are shown to be diamagnetic. So this is the failure, because actually the nickel Ni2 plus complexes are paramagnetic. So this behavior is explained by MOT very satisfactory. So according to MOT, this ion complex Ni2 plus complex is paramagnetic in nature. Then if we see the spectral properties, VBT has number of limitations because it can explain very superficial the approach of these spectral lines. But this theory can explain better way the spectrum, even though the spectrum is of fine lines, very fine lines. So this spectrum, this VBT has no such capability to explain the spectrum thoroughly well. Then use of atomic orbitals. If we see the VBT, it makes the use of mostly the lower energy orbitals such as SPD, but it cannot provide explanation for the higher energy orbitals like 4D. It cannot explain the 4D orbitals, means use of 4D orbitals. MOT explains every type of or every kind of interaction, even the atomic orbitals may be higher energy or lower energy, it doesn't matter. And this also explains how the S and P characters are mixed in the bond formation. Further, qualitative and quantitative approach. This VBT provides only qualitative approach of the bonding. Means it cannot explain the quantitative approach, means it cannot explain quantitatively how much energy is associated with it, etc. So the quantitative approach is not explained here. It fails to explain. But here MOT is capable to explain both qualitative and quantitative approaches or properties. Then if we see the charge transfer spectra, so this charge transfer spectra is not explained by VBT, but it is easily explained by MOT, means successfully explained by MOT. Then next is color of the complexes, relative energies of the complexes, reactivity of the complexes, and electron deficient compounds. So such type of properties are not explained by VBT, but MOT can satisfactorily explain all such properties. So that is why MOT is most satisfactory theory compared to VBT and many other theories. But still, both theories means MOT has also certain limitations. So that is next another point of interest. So with this we will stop our discussion here, and please subscribe to this channel and press bell icon and like button. So thank you very much for watching this video.